Now Villeneuve, he goes cross-ice for Goyette. What a good chance. Better save made by Parsons. David Goyette spins away, tries to cut to the net. A wraparound chance, jamming away. There's Villeneuve, but Parsons smothers the puck. It's to Van Vliet. Van Vliet from the point off the post. Here's Botno for Pugliese. Pugliese, sharp angle shot. Mercer tried to redirect and just couldn't get it on target. Swick for Machar. Machar trying to get around his man. Here's Machar cutting in. Machar shot. Swick jamming. Swick scores!
Second and third shots of the period for the Kitchen Rangers. A great drive to the net. And Machar took a bit of a brunt of that one.
Delic tried that little wraparound. Instead, it finds the open lane here. Chance shot, save made that time by Parsons. Then to Brustevich. Brustevich a shot. Vondrash another save. But another good chance for Botno, and he fired that one just wide. Shot came on that time. Now here's Konyan again. That's Davrosky. Shot came on. Save again made by Parsons. Off the wall here, back to Donovan McCoy. McCoy shot tip, jamming away there. Here comes Philip Machar. Machar's been feisty to Sopp. Matthews. Sopp moves and scores!
Goals in back-to-back games for Matt Sopp as 91 makes a nice move going from his backhand to forehand, crashing the net. Vondrash trying to stick with him.
So the Wolves win the faceoff. Delic scores! Kocha Delic.
In the slot, quick hands, goes blocker side on Parsons.
Now this got rubbed up by Van Vliet. Rehkopf scores!
Had the second goal, now he's got the third. Just 27 seconds into the second period. The Rangers are getting used to scoring early in periods, and they do it again here in the second.
Now, here's Villeneuve. Villeneuve breaking in. Villeneuve drops it back, but what a save made by Parsons. Puck just hit the side of the post. Villeneuve couldn't put it in.
A nice rush here for the Wolves after 2-on-1 one-way. Odd man rush as the Rangers defensively, and there's a hard check right in the crossbar.
And right back for Goyette. Dvorsky, a chance and a big save with the face by Mask with Parsons.
Two-game road trip. We're looking to continue that trend.
Brustevich scores! Hunter Brustevich!
His 11th goal of the season. Head coach Jussi Ahokas wanted him to shoot more. Well, he's taking that message to heart.
And the Wolves came away with the win. Rangers intercept. Here's Brustevich, shot blocked away that time by Vandenberg. Here's Rehkopf. Rehkopf coming in. Rehkopf shot blocker save made by Vandenberg. At the point here for a chance for Romano, tipped off the post. A point now for Brustevich. Brustevich to Machar. Machar. Rehkopf, and what a save made by Vandenberg.
The Rangers working around into the slot and to the outside. A great feed.
The Rangers break it up. Now here's Chalet. Chalet with the step. Edward Chalet, backhander save made by Vandenberg. Taken away by Coughlin. And the Wolves are off to the race, and here's Coughlin shot save made by Parsons. That's intercepted this time. Driving in, chance and over the net again. 1:27 left to go here in the second period. Chalet gets it. Chalet wraparound attempt, and it just goes through the goal mouth. Gets it just through the skates of Goyette. And here's a shorthanded rush for Kitchener. Sopp shot, what a glove save made by Vandenberg. Dvorsky. Goyette here for Delic, shot, that one hits the post. Machar for Swick, back to Machar. Machar, Chalet shot, nice save made by Vandenberg. Rehkopf here for Sopp, nice move by Sopp. Sopp, then he can't bury it, what a play made that time by the likes of Anania.
Working his way around the end boards, Sopp with a follow-up chance. Oh, that's a great look. Oh, and the glove. And so the official is just making that determination right now. He clearly didn't grab the puck. He just brushed it aside.
It off here for Reed. Reed's pass broken up here by Villeneuve. Here's Villeneuve, and there's a chance that time for Walton. Save made. Now fed off the wall here for Pugliese to Botno. Botno looking for Mercer. Poke checked away. His pass goes off Sopp's skates. Here's Rehkopf tipped in front. Jamming away. Sopp save made by Vandenberg. Wolves can't clear. Here's Ellis scores!
And the Rangers fully deserving in this one. Last couple shifts, they really own the offensive zone.
Delic cross ice, that's intercepted. Sup puts it on net and he scores! Short-handed goal for Matthew Sup.
Goals here today. That one coming from long range. Hits pay dirt on the empty net.
Now to Motua drive, tipped, and a good pad save made by Vandenberg. Kicks it out here for Villeneuve. Short-handed rush for the Wolves. Villeneuve, and he was looking for McCallum, and good work by Chalet on the back check. Puck bounces right onto the stick of Rehkopf to Brustevich. Here for Chalet. Chalet, pad save made by Vandenberg. And looks like Savard will just glide this one out, let the horn go. And the Kitchener Rangers have won 3 in a row for the first time since mid-January, as they hold the second highest scoring team in the OHL, Sudbury, to just 1 goal. They take this one 6-1 on a Sunday afternoon.